Hey, what's up, y'all? How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary along with. So in today's video, guys, I bought a fan. It's kind of hot in US here, as you all know. It's summer here, so it was really hot. And shout out to my sweetheart.
Ew.
Shout out to my sweetheart who bought a fan for us. It was really hot here. Like, I don't want to go far, but I'm actually here to open this fan for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to unbox and set up a Lasko fan. Okay, so this is the fan right here. I'm going to show you guys the full size of the fan, how it look like. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I will tell you where I bought this fan from and how much I paid for this. Okay, stay tuned. Let's get it. So this is the fan right here. Yeah, this is the name of the fan right here, Lasko. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the full size. Yeah, this right here, this one right here. Just in case you want to buy it, I just want to show you the full size so you can know how it look like. Okay, yeah. Okay, hold on, baby girl. Hold on. So now we're about to open this. My sweetheart gonna help me open this. Okay, I think we just need to. Okay, I got it. I think. There we go. Hold on. We can prepare ourselves. Lasko, yeah, that's Lasko fan.
Yeah.
You don't really have to be in that video, honey. Go, darling, go. You. I got it.
Fine.
Wait, open it.
Yeah.
You want me to have
No, look at that. That's cardboard. And there's still more cardboard under here, guys.
Our manager will always be our manager. She always makes sure everything is neat. So guys,
Whoa!
oh my god, guys, you can't believe what I got. This is a standing fan. Hold on, baby girl. I don't like for kids to be my video on the net. You okay then?
Yeah, we got a Lasko fan.
Yes. So this is a standing fan right here, and this is the stand right here. The first thing we got here is the stand right here. It's the stand. So yeah, you want to put it over there. And we got a fan right here. Guys, can you see the fan? Yeah, this is how the fan look like. Okay. And these are just part of the stuff you have to put together right here. And guys,
Yeah.
this is the cover for the fan right here. Sister girl, hold on. Oh my god. We're gonna put this together.
Let's go put it back, guys.
You wanna put it in there? And then I just wanted to empty the box so we can get more space.
And then, guys, my brother waits to me.
Come on, darling. Hold on. So, guys, this fan came with manual. We have the manual right here. We're gonna be reading this manual to set this fan up. Okay. So let's see what we got. Let me put that on my phone. Move up behind me. Don't stop my video. People are listening to everything. So I'm so lucky I have my sweetheart with me here. He's gonna be helping me to set this up, so we might do a separate video about how to set this up because we don't want to make this video long, guys. So watch out for part 2. In part 2 of the video, we'll be teaching you guys how to set this fan up. Okay? Yeah. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah.
Once again, my name is Rosemary, along with
Rose Lacey.
and yeah, our producer is Austin. Yeah, so yeah guys, so stay tuned and watch out for part 2 of the video. Love you all. So I promised you guys that I was going to tell you guys where I bought this fan from and how much I paid for it. I bought this fan from Walmart, but you can get this fan from anywhere you want to get, like Best Buy, maybe Target, Sam's Club, somewhere like that.
Walmart.
But I actually bought this fan from Walmart, and I think I paid let me be exact. Give me that phone over. Let me see. Oh, sorry, I got one. Yeah, I think I paid I got one. yeah, I just like so we pay $31 for this fan from Walmart. So
Yeah.
watch out for part 2. In part 2 of the video, I'll be showing you guys how to set this
We
fan
need
up.
to fix the fan, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. It's super hot.
Guys, we have to fix the fan before it works.
It's really hot here.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much. Bye. Love you.
Bye. So guys, bye.